So if you record sometimes, or no, not sometimes, the recording that you recorded last time or cannot view one, like if you like we click on it, nothing happened.
No, actually, it will auto upload to the stream, but the problem is, you all are not in our WMS organization, staff academic staff organization, so you cannot watch from stream. What I did is I download it from stream and then I upload to YouTube and I post it to YouTube for you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So new folder bb_html. Okay. Locate the following files and store them in your folder. So just now is this one. Contact, map, text1, text2, bb logo, style, blocks, brickwork. Okay. So right click, drag it and copy here. Okay. Create a web page called bb.htm. So I will use the most fundamental, which is Notepad. Save it first. No matter what, save it first. Okay. bb.html. And then save it as bb.htm. Okay. Save it first. Now I save it. Am I save it right? Yeah. Okay. This web page must work in all browsers and will have the structure as below. So we need to create the structure first. Okay. I hope you all can memorize all this tag lah. Although we are using Dreamweaver, but worst to worst, what happened is when the Dreamweaver is malfunction during the exam in IG, so you have to do it. You still have to do it. So try to remember all this tag. Okay. So I have a table. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 row, 3 column. Okay, I have 3 column here, but I have 2 column here. So what I will do normally is I will make it to 6 column. Do you get what I mean? I make it into 6 column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is A, B, B, C, C. And then this is D, 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 D. This is E, E, E.
And next time something like this comes out, then like we need to split it into like each one into like 2 or something like that. So it's like, so then the F and G can be like evenly.
Yeah, because you cannot split like this. You cannot split from 3 to 2. So yeah. I will double it, become 6. So I can split by 3, 3.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. Will it? Desktop. BB HTML. BB. Okay. So AABBCC. Okay, better I put a border first. Later only I delete the border. Okay, file, save, and refresh. So A, B, B, C, C, D, 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 E, E, F, 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 G, G, G. Okay, next is I need to merge. So 2A merge together, I use cospan equal to true. And this one happen to B and C as well. Then I delete B and this one. So save it and refresh. Okay, ABC done. Then call spam 6 for D. Okay, delete the rest. And call span 6 for E as well. And delete the rest. Control and save. Try to check every single step because it will help you to figure. If you have problem, you can solve it earlier. If you check at last, then once you get something wrong, you will get very headache. So normally I will check step by step. Few steps and then I check again. File, save. Okay, so now I have the ABCDFG. Enlarge it. Yep. Okay. Each, and then now I set the width and height. So width and then must be in pixel, so you must put something pixel. And then from A until G, you have the width and height. Okay. A, B, C using the same thing, 400. And height is 300. Okay. D, 1200. Actually, you can just set the height for D because D is based on the previous one, and also E. Then 600, 300. And some teachers like Madam Lalita said you set the height in the TR because all the rows using the same height also can. You also can do that. Okay, as long as when you set this, it follow these rules. Okay, so I put it like this. Okay, now I have my ABCDEFG. Okay, look nice. Each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixel. Done. The letter and dimension shown must not appear in your final web page. So I delete all the letter. Okay, I will delete the letter later because I need them for indicator. Yeah. The external table border must have a width of 4 pixels and all internal grid line must have width of 2 pixels. Table border and grid line must be visible. Okay, this one normally we need to do it in CSS. So what I will put it here. Style. For if you still remember, I did mention before. For table, external grid line is called table. So border is 4 pixel, solid 4 pixel, and then for internal is called PD. Border 2 pixel, and you need to put solid. Then I delete the border here because this is called HTML. It will override this if you not delete. So I put style here and I save already. Let's see. So, TD border or space. Save. Refresh. Okay, done. The border grid line must be visible. Okay, done. Place A with the image brickworks. So A, IMG, SRC, and then BRICK work.jpg. When you put the picture, your HTML and your picture in the same folder, you just put their name like this. Okay, and in your exam, you also need to do like this. Okay, place in the cell B text. Click the image for further detail. So B, click on an image for further details. Okay, I will break it because not you can't see it. Okay, so click for an image for further details. File, save. Set this tag as H2. 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 Okay, save and refresh. Okay, I have this done. Place an image cell C, the image paving.jpg. So you just copy and paste it here. Okay, so you can save a lot of work by using copy paste. No need to type everything. Okay, file, save, and refresh. Okay. Resize this image in the markup so that 394 pixel wide and maintain its ratio. So you just change the width. Width equal to 394 pixel. And file, save, refresh. Okay. Why it looks so weird? Never mind. Continue first. Place in cell D image BB logo. So same thing, you copy. Okay, normally I will copy like this, and then cell D, I will delete, enter, paste, and BB logo. File, save, and then refresh. Okay, done. This logo, this is the logo of the company which appeared on the company vehicle, letterhead, etc. Okay, nothing with it to do with it. Make this image a hyperlink to open the web page bbcontact.html in the new browser called new. Okay, so you need to cover it with A. Cover it with A. And then this one, we need to call it as href, hyperlink reference, bbcontact.html, and then target is underscore new. Okay, call new, so underscore new. File, save, and refresh. And when I click, It opened the BB block. Wow. Who is the designer for this website? So hard to read the text. Design field. Okay. Make this image hyperlink to open the web page. All done. Okay. Place in cell E from the file. Okay. So you just delete the word E. And then you open the file. Text 1. Control A, Control C. Control A means select all. Control C is copy, and then Control V here and paste it here. Okay. File, save. Set this tag as H1. So at front you put H1. At the end you put H1 as well. File, save, and refresh. Okay, done. F put text 2. So open text 2, copy, Control C, and then under F, do the same thing. You just copy and paste. Paste. Okay. Add your name, center number, and candidate number to the end of this tag. Okay. So name, center number, candidate number, file, save. Set the text. We will undertake building project in the other region of the world as H2. So you cover this by H2. And make it look better. File, save. Okay, set the text web page design creation. By this one, H3. And then at the end, H3. It's not included your name, right? Here. Yeah, no. Means that until here only. Before your name, because it's not including your name here. Okay, next. Refresh and see whether it works. Yeah. Still working. Make only the hothouse design the text hothouse design a hyperlink to the web page. So hothouse design, this is the word. Okay, so you need to cover with A. And then it says to href http www.hothousedesign.co.uk. Okay, file, save. We should reset open in the same window browser. So this one, target underscore self self. If they say new, then you put new. If new tab or new window browser is called underscore blank. And then in the same window browser, then underscore self. Okay. Place G with the image of the map provider. What is map? Oh, map. Okay, so I will copy again and paste it here. And that is called bbmap.png. bbmap.png. File, save, and refresh. Okay, done. Make sure appropriate text is display of an image is not available. So everything you need to put alternate text. Okay, make sure it's before you close the tag, image tag. So this one I will put appropriate text. So I will just put whatever the file call. Okay, this one I will put pairing, and then this one I will put logo, and then image. I will put map, file, save. Okay. Center align the table in the browser. So here. So I need to add new thing. Margin left auto. Margin right auto. File save. Okay. Refresh. Yep. Center align. Attach the style sheet VB style to your web page and to the VB contact.html. So you need to put it here. Link type text.css. Oh shit. Okay, all this please try to remember. And href. I'm also not so sure whether this is correct or not. Later try. Okay, file, save, and refresh. Okay, it works. Okay, these two, delete, close it first. Next, save the web page. Okay, then this one also need to copy and BB contact. So right click, open with Notepad, and after inside the head, you paste it. File, save, and then you open and see. Actually, nothing changed. Okay, so but don't care as long as you have the code. Save the web page in your. Okay, done. The style sheet has been started but need to improve using the most efficient syntax. Make sure your style sheet does not contain any HTML. Okay. Open the style sheet. Okay, now is the time to change the style sheet. Right click, open with Notepad. Oops, no. Okay, edit the style sheet so that it's following the on. I need to do something. AFK. Okay, I'm come back. Okay, style H1, H2, and H3 display the font. Okay. H1, comma, H2, comma, H3. And the font should be in. What is this font? If this is not available, comma, then Blackadder IDC. If neither of these fonts are available, then display the default. So comma again, serif. Okay. So and why serif do not need double quote? Oh, sorry. The serif do not need double quote because this is not a phrase, but this too is a phrase. Okay. Style H1, H2, H3 must be centered align text. So semicolon and open a new line and put text align center. File, save, and see what happened to our website. Yeah. Okay. Continue. H1 must be red with no green or blue element. H1 color hashtag RGB must be red. So FF no green, no blue. H2 must be blue color, no green, no red. RGB. Okay. And then H3 color hashtag must be blue. Okay. H3 and H2 actually is same, so I just put H3 here. So I delete this. All border and grid line must be red with no green, blue, or blue element and match the requirement of the VB table. So what I will do is I will copy this cut. See first, and then I paste it over here. Okay. Okay. Must be red, no green, and no blue. So table and TD border color hashtag RGB. Okay, file, save, refresh. Okay, this is very okay. If you are creating website, please don't do this. So ugly. Okay. Display the evidence in your browser, resize it. Okay. So size it 67. Okay. Then I cannot do this because they want to see. I only, what I can do is display my web page, copy, and put it into evidence 6. Okay, and then question paper again. Take a copy of HTML source and place this to your evidence document. So Control A, Control C, and evidence 7, paste. Oh, Control Z. Okay. So paste it, just Control C, Control V. Number 8, take a copy of your style sheet and place it in the evidence. So open your style sheet, copy all, Control C, and then here, Control V, paste. Evaluate your own word of choice of the font used for this web page. So just type your evaluation of your own word into your evidence using no more than 100 words. Okay, this one I will directly show you the answer script. I think this will be easier. New OneDrive. So answer script for evidence 9. Okay, format from here. Okay, I will paste it here. Font match the style in the company logo. Font may be part of corporate house style. Yeah. Font color match the logo in H1. Font are script font, so more difficult to read. Yes. Poor contrast between the text and background. Yes. So you can type whatever it is reasonable. Okay. This according to your design sense. Okay, number 10. No, in style sheet 11, in a style sheet, the style H1 defined as Times New Roman serif. Using this example, explain in your own word how interpret. So you can just copy this one. You just copy this. Okay, paste it to evidence 10. And then you change a little bit, like H1 displays the font. And then if not available, then Times New Roman. If neither of these available, then only use the serif font. Okay, that's all. Okay, then you submit. Easy, right? I can finish it within 1 period. Plus AFK. Okay, so I will stop recording.